Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study at Oxford University. The journey begins with thorough research into your desired course and the colleges that offer it. Each college has a unique character, so finding the right fit is key. You'll need to meet specific academic requirements, often involving top grades in relevant subjects. Preparing a strong personal statement that truly reflects your passion and academic interests is also crucial. Finally, understanding the application timeline and strict deadlines is essential for a successful submission. Meeting Oxford's academic standards is paramount. You'll typically need to achieve excellent grades, often 3 grades at a level or equivalent, in subjects relevant to your chosen degree. Many courses also require you to sit an admissions test, so dedicated preparation is vital. Furthermore, securing strong academic references from 2 teachers who know your work well is incredibly important. Showing a genuine, deep interest in your subject, extending beyond the school curriculum, will also set you apart. Crafting a standout application involves several key steps. Your personal statement, usually around 4,000 characters, must be compelling and articulate your academic motivations. Ensure your UCAS application is completed accurately and submitted well before the October deadline. If invited, attending interviews is a crucial stage where you can demonstrate your thinking process and enthusiasm. This is your chance to showcase your unique skills and intellectual potential directly to the tutors. Once admitted, thriving at Oxford means fully immersing yourself in the experience. Actively engage in the small group tutorials and larger lectures, as these are central to the learning process. Participate in the vibrant college life and join some of the hundreds of societies available. Effective time management is key to balancing your demanding studies with extracurricular activities. Make sure to utilize the extensive library resources, including the world-renowned Bodleian Library, for your research and reading.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.